Alright guys, so welcome to another series, and in this series I'm going to be teaching you guys on how hackers can actually get users cookies and session on on e-commerce app or any kind of apps. So right here are the list of information that I actually got in just doing some penetration testing on this e-commerce app right here. So what I'm going to be teaching you right now is how you can actually, send in some malicious payload through Postman, and if the developer do not sanitize their backend properly, and it actually means that it could affect users on that app. So if there are like 5,000 users on that app, you eventually be getting all of the information in this place right here, like cookies login, session login, all this kind of stuff. You'll be getting everything right here. So what you need to do right now is that as a penetration tester or as an upcoming hacker, right? If you're into the web application space, right, you're going to be using your Postman all the time, right? Postman, Suit, and your Kali Linux. And also make sure you guys to subscribe to the channel, and it helps me actually keep moving forward. All right, so right here I have this e-commerce app here, right? So I downloaded it from the internet, so you can just go to e-commerce app Node.js. This is the repository right here. You can just take a good look at it, then load it up, then you'll be getting this no product found. So what we are going to do right now is that we are going to try and put this malicious code inside of this. So you can basically see that I have this stuff here. I have a port 5000/log, and I'm getting the document.cookie, meaning that I'm going to be grabbing every information on the browser of the users, right? And in my application here, I created a folder called steal, right? So stealing. So in that folder, I created a file called cookies.txt. I have my Express API, my Express installed. Then I have my steal.js. This is the code right here. So you can actually copy this code and test it on your own site. So this is the code right here. So you can take a copy of this code. Now, when you are doing this, you can do this on production side, but make sure you have the permission to do so. And also, don't do it on sites that you're not permission to do so, unless you'll be getting users information like that. Alright, so what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to send this payload. As you can see, I'm going to send this straight to database. Now, if the developers did not properly sanitize their backend properly, they're in trouble, very, very big in trouble. So if I go straight to the database right here, so you can see nothing is inside of it, but right now I can already have this here. And what I would do now is that I have to make sure, okay, basically you can see that I'm running the server of the e-commerce app. So you can see I've created a product. So what I'll do right now is that I'm going to need to go straight into this folder called steal here, into this steal folder. Then you can see I've cd into it already. This is it right here. So then I'm just going to do node space steal.js. I'm going to run this steal server. So what it actually means is that if users are on the site, let's say, let me use this one as user 2. I'll just refresh here. So it means that if users are on the product list side, right? If users are here like this, it actually means that, so you can see, I will be getting the users information. Let me try and clear this one away, and I'll show you what I mean. So if I should go to cart, the users is going to cart, orders, whatever, and the users eventually come straight to this product list here. You can see this product list here. If they come there, what happens is that your cookie stealer is going to register everything they did there, like it's going to register it. So if I go straight to this another browser here and I click a refresh as a normal user, I don't know what's going underneath at all. So you can basically see I have another information down here. So basically, if the attacker wants to get the login or the whatever important information, the e-commerce application has to have a login page. If it has a login page, very login page, right, either with Google or whatever, and you manage to bypass this thing inside of the database, right? And you set up this stuff right here, that is this steel.js, this stuff right here, you basically be seeing what is going on the user's code. So as every user is logging in on your system or whatever, you'll be seeing the cookie session and everything done. And hackers can do whatever they want to do with that kind of information. So it's always very, very important for the backend developer to always sanitize their input very, very well correctly, because of hackers are very, very dangerous, right? So guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And also guys, if you know, I have a platform here called my promo talk. I have a platform called my promo talk. You can actually check it out. So it's basically like a blog, where you can talk and all of that. Let me type it well. Promo talk. So basically, you can actually do talk blog. It's a blog. You can talk about so many things there. There is ranges of topics on campus boards, jackpot trends in Nigeria, sport betting, relationships. So many stuff there. So make sure you check out my promo talk and let me know your feedback, guys. So please make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like, and I'll see you guys later.